Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to unbox some new hydrangeas from Proven Winners with you. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Whoop. Gorgeous. All right, so which one is this beauty right here? Okay, so I think this is, it says Hydrangea macrophylla Let's, and I think it's Let's Dance. So let me see. Let's Dance. Well, there's two different Let's Dances, so we're gonna have to see. Okay, so they're all unboxed. I got 4 new hydrangeas. This is the first one we opened, so it's a Let's Dance something. There's 2 Let's Dance hydrangeas in this order. Next up, check out those blooms. So beautiful on this plant. Okay, this one is Hydrangea TUFF Stuff Top Fun. That is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous. And this is such a full, happy plant. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. So next up is Pinky Winky Prime. I cannot wait to see this one bloom. I can't wait to see all of the blooms. I love hydrangeas. I don't even know how many I have in my garden. I have a lot in my garden. I actually should do a video tour of all the hydrangeas I have. Now, I think I'll add that to the list of videos to create before winter. But definitely, I'm going to share my hydrangeas with you guys. Pinky Winky Prime. Next up is Let's Dance Sky View. Look how full and compact this plant is. Just look at this. So compact. Full. Like, this looks like a bouquet of hydrangea leaves. So beautiful. And what I love about hydrangeas is that I also love hydrangea foliage, especially big leaf hydrangeas. Like, they're my favorite. I love the leaves of big leaf hydrangeas. So if this one's Let's Dance Sky View, then the other Let's Dance has to be Let's Dance Lovable Hydrangea. Gorgeous. It's got some buds on it, and I cannot wait to see what they turn into. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these plants. Let me know what you think about them in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.